How to create a WordPress website in 5 easy steps. लो hosting मई 30 2019 Why choose a WordPress in your website? If you've been putting off the design to set a website or your small business because it will be complicated or time consuming, don't worry. Creating a personal website or an amorous site is remarkably easy to set up on a WordPress content management platform CMS. In fact, most people can go from start to finish it about 30 minutes without any advanced tech skill or especially training. WordPress in the perfect drag and crop website. Here is a brief overview of the steps to get your WordPress website started. 1. Pick a domain name. Number 2. Choose the hosting provider package. 3. Install WordPress. Choose them for learn WordPress dashboard. Pick your WordPress plugins. 5. Customize website. You're deciding to create a website and want to use WordPress as your website platform. Know how to create a WordPress website in 5 quick steps. Step 1. Getting started and choosing a domain name. Before you can begin building your website, choosing your domain name. One of the most important part is this is how your advisors will find you and identify with your brand. Your domain name is what people type into their browser to get to your website. Attempting to choose something from your flashy pick a domain that both represent your brand and make it easy for people to find you. For example, is better this because such that are looking for my name or for welding service are more likely to find him. After you have fixed your domain, you will need to buy your name and pick a hosting domain company. Then that quickly the needs of your website. You are building a website on WordPress, choosing a hosting provider that offers a hosting specifically or WordPress site in ideal. This way you can change your domain name and hosting service from the same provider. Luckily, Bluehost offers both and in demand by WordPress. Step 2. Choose your package and step up your hosting account. Bluehost offers hosting package from your standing WordPress plan to your fully managed WordPress hosting plan. Once you have established your domain name, you need to create or account for your hosting plan. Enter your personal information into each field and there scroll down to the package. Choose an option that fits your budget and service need. These price vary across hosting providers, but most offer add-ons like extra security features, tools to boost search rankings and site backup.